What's going on, traders? We're back with another trade review video. Just going to be reviewing my week and what trades I took this week. I am in two positions. I'm holding them over the weekend. See how that works out. I just want to thank you guys for tuning into the video, and don't forget to drop a like if you like the video. Every like helps, and I'm trying to grow this channel so that I can possibly upload a video every day, which I would love to do for you guys. I just need that drive, that incentive. But anyways, we'll hop right into the video. And by the way, check out my latest video. I just posted. It's my last upload. It's a trader's mindset, just so it'll kind of help you understand my mindset, why I took these trades, other than just the technicals like the supply and demand zones. Anyways, we'll just hop right in. I am long silver, and I am short the US 3-year bond. Reason I am is because the interest rates are obviously low in the United States, and inflation is going to rise. The Federal Reserve has announced that they will be targeting a higher inflation rate for whatever reason. So therefore, I think that when investors and governments look to buy 30-year government bonds, the interest rate's so low on those bonds, including the inflation rate, so they're essentially like almost negative, as far as my knowledge goes. Like that's like they're actually negative considering the inflation, because you're getting paid back in U.S. dollars if you buy a U.S. Bond, and if the inflation rate is higher than the interest rate, then essentially the whole rate as a whole is negative. So I see a move from U.S. Treasury bonds to metals, which have been performing very well, which is why I'm bullish on silver. So first we'll talk about this U.S. bond trade. It's a little different. I didn't take a pullback into a supply or demand zone. I simply used it to place my stop loss. So essentially, I was looking at this EMA. I think it's a 20-day EMA. Let me see. A friend had recommended, 20 length EMA. And I had noticed that I started to see this downtrend happening. So I was watching the 4-hour, I saw this red candle close. I tried to do the same thing here with this red candle. I got stopped out by here. But I said I want to try it again. I feel like this bond market is going to go down. So I saw this red candle close. I saw the EMA start to curve down on my daily time frame, which is my highest time frame. So looking at that, I thought, maybe I can get a nice 4-hour level here. And I waited for this zone to be broken. Did I? I kind of forget. Actually, no, I think I took the trade up here. Yeah, wherever this is. Took the trade up here, and my stop loss was above here, I believe. And then this was at the start of the week, so I kind of forget, to be quite honest. But it was, my stop loss was far, so like I'm not like that much into profit right now. I have been just taking profit along the way. If you guys follow me on Instagram or on the Discord group, I talked about how price. I think I got in around here. My stop loss was above here actually, or somewhere above here. I don't know. Anyways, price moved down. It was moving in my favor. Created this supply zone right here. I'll just draw it out. Created that nice supply zone, and it worked. So maybe as I learn and use this strategy more, maybe that'll be a place where I could add on, right? And I put my stop loss right above the zone. Worked out perfectly. But when price was around here, I did take off a little bit of profit, just in case, right? I just wanted to make a little bit of money. So I bumped my stop loss up to here, took off some profit, and I still own some. I still own a bit. So I'm just gonna let that ride, see what happens. My ultimate target would be down here in this area, and then I don't know if it's gonna collapse that much, but clearly this is a buying area. So we'll see 175, 176, 174 in that area. Maybe I'll start to bump my stop loss. I am waiting for possibly, like, let's just say this drops here, a new zone. I'm probably going to bump my stop loss right to here. Lock in some more gains. Maybe shave off a little bit down below. I am still learning and practicing my profit taking. I'm just trying to find a method that works with me, and when I do, I'll share it with you guys. But for now, it's kind of just I'm just experimenting. So, but that's the US 30-year bond trade that I'm still short in. Next trade is silver. My fundamental reason for going long for silver is essentially the same thing as my fundamental reason for the US 30-year bond, is because I think that governments and investors aren't seeing the best returns, and they know they're not going to see the best returns considering all of the money printing in the United States and throughout the whole world, really. So I think that investors are going to be rushing towards gold and silver, which have a long history of working, and it's a good hedge against inflation. So I think that they're going to be working. And this was kind of a good timing trade. I just happened to turn on my iPad, which I trade off of a lot now. I happened to turn it on. Price was like right here. It didn't even wick the zone. And I thought that's a nice area at the extreme, because I probably honestly would have placed an order up here, but just my timing, price is already in here. I'm like, wow, it's even a better price. So I thought, and price was actually lower. It's right here, right at the zone. I'm like, you know what, I bet you it'll tag me in. So I placed an order there. Stop loss down here because I am looking for a bigger move. My stop loss is safe right here on the daily. Price has moved up. I have taken some profit off twice, I believe. Still letting some ride. I'm going to let this last one ride. My stop loss is, by the way, my stop loss is at break even for the US 30 year. And I've already taken off some profit, so I've won this trade now. I'm just going to keep it at break even, see where it goes. My stop loss is also at break even on silver, with profit taken as well. So both trades are in the green. I'm just going to see how much this rides. This is a supply zone here. It's a pretty nice supply zone. Nice trend up. Broke the momentum line. Didn't break the demand, but you know what? I could definitely see some sellers taking profit up here again between that $28 and $30 area. So we'll see. But I'm just going to be basically trying to be buying every pullback in silver and gold going forth. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This was a nice zone that I got long at. You saw that just clearly tagged me in right away. I was pretty much in profit right away. Obviously I'm risking worse risk reward. If my stop losses up here would be way better, I'd be way more into profit, but I'm more looking for these long-term moves, and I'm going to try to be looking to add on and learn how to do that and just take profit along the way. That's pretty much it for now. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video for the Forex forecast using fundamentals. Now I've been implementing that, and so far it's been working pretty good. I have 2 losers, 1 loss on CAD CHF. I think I talked about it, maybe not. I talked about it in the group, I believe. But that's it for now. Stay tuned for the Forex forecast tomorrow. I will be updating my spreadsheet because it does need an updating, and I'll show you guys what I'm looking at for the week. All right, take care, guys.